Hey guys, we have an unboxing. This is from Aritzia and this is my second order. I'm very excited about this one because I thought I got it on a very great deal. Okay, first, my very first merino wool sweater. And next one, the item that I'm very excited about is this wool coat. It's 100% wool coat and it's marked down big time. I've been eyeing on this one, but I wasn't sure because I don't know what size to get. This is from the Wilfred collection and I got size extra small. I usually wear small or size 4, but after reading all the reviews, I decided to finally pull the trigger and get size extra small. Let's try it. Okay, here it is. I'm so happy I listened to reviews and I got extra small because extra small is still very roomy. Let's see. And I will make a full review about this coat because this is still available online for $158. Available in 3 colors, so you could choose something that fits you perfectly. This is perfect when you are so lazy to think of what to wear but still want to look put together, because you could just hide everything inside and still look very stylish and fashionable. If you are interested to see the full review of this coat, make sure to subscribe because I will upload it very soon.